could have been as bad at hockey as you are at golf.
All right, let's go.
So nice.
We got it. Enough.
Are you okay?
Yes,
okay,
yes.
I'll be right back. Hey, come here!
No, I think he's had enough.
Gilmore Saugus. I'm Adam Sandler for Murder Mystery, and today is Thursday, October 26th.
And I'm Adam Sandler from 51st Dates. Welcome to Bedtime Stories of SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about us, Adam Sandler.
We were born on September 9th, 1966 in Brooklyn, New York. From an early age, our comedic personality started to show as we were disciplined for amusing jokes and antics. At 17, Sandler began performing at a stand-up comedy club in Boston with help from his brother. After high school, Sandler attended the Lee Strasberg Theater and Film Institute and Tisch School of Arts, where he earned his bachelor's degree in acting in 1988.
We were old. Sandler first appeared on television in the 1987's Cosby Show. We were recommended to Saturday Night Live by Dennis Miller, who took a liking to us after viewing our performance in LA. During this time, we began to write sketches for SNL, but were fired due to low show ratings. We made our first appearances on the big screen in 1991's Shakes the Clown and continued to make several appearances in films with more prominent roles, such as The Wedding Singer, Happy Gilmore, Big Daddy, Punch Drunk Love, and Grown Ups.
Although many people saw our humor as silly and childish, it was popular among movie fans. We are now an inspiration to many around the world, making people laugh in so many ways. To prove it, in 2023, we were awarded the Mark Twain Prize for American Humor.
Look at us go.
Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Seniors! University of California and California State University applications are open. Applications will be accepted up until November 30th. To apply, follow the links in the senior Google Classroom, and if you have any questions, see a counselor. FAFSA will be available for seniors to apply for financial aid online during December, not October. There is a new and improved FAFSA provided by the federal government, which delays its release until December. The deadline will still be March 2nd of 2024. Senior families will be notified when the application is available.
Seniors again. In order to request college paperwork or letters of recommendation from your counselors, you must ask them to a minimum of 2 weeks ahead of your deadline. If schools need paperwork before January 20th, the last day to turn in your brag sheet and request a recommendation from your counselor is December 1st. All students who purchased an ASB card must have a valid identification printed on their ID in order to enter games and events. If you recently purchased an ASB card and do not already have an identification printed, or lost your student ID, you can visit the ASB office to reprint it.
Now let's go to the grown-ups, or so they say. Mr. LaPata and Coach Russell with this week's Athletic Director's Minute.
Good morning, Centurions. How we doing out there?
Great.
Outstanding. Hey, our last
football game of the season is tonight at Canyon High School. We play Golden Valley. Let's get out there and support the team. Coach Russell, anything to add with that?
We have early releases for both the lower levels. The Frosh will be early release at 1:45, and the JV early release is at 2.
And we have some early release today for tennis players also. But, Coach Russell, go for it.
Our first Jersey Mike's Player of the Week is Saugus football player C.J. Mound. C.J. hauled in 2 catches for 41 yards, resulting in 2 touchdowns versus Canyon High School.
All right. The next Jersey Mike's Players of the Week are Saugus varsity tennis players Maddie Vienzon and Kelsey Lamons-Ross. Maddie and Kelsey have been the number 1 doubles team all season for Saugus. They had an undefeated preseason and went 29-2 during league for a total record of 49-2. Both of them also play today at 11 o'clock at the Paseo Club in the semifinals of the Foothill League tournament. So good luck to you both. With that being said, last Friday night at our football game at College of the Canyons, our football program put together a very special thing for one of our very own Peyton Marquez. I'm going to go to that clip right now. Enjoy.
Already played.
All right, they already played the clip. So great job, Peyton. I see you there. Boom. He slam dunk. He
Wrong
spiked the ball like
did.
Rob Gronkowski. All right, I'm butchering this. So with that being said, do you have any idea what happens when a ghost exits the restroom?
No.
They leave a spooky dookie. All right, with that being said, let's go to our sports anchor.
Thanks, Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Adam Sandler from Happy Gilmore with the do-over of today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, girls tennis competes in prelims at the Paseo Club. Varsity starts at 11. Football plays Golden Valley at Canyon. The theme is Halloween costumes. Varsity starts at 7. Good luck to all of our Centurion athletes. Softball will be hosting their annual home run derby to support breast cancer awareness and continue the journey of knocking out a cure today on the softball field. The event begins at 3 and the snack bar will be open. All students and families can attend. That's all for me. Now let's hustle to Priscilla Pagnate with the special Halloween edition in our series Cooking with SNN.
Good morning, Saugus. This is Priscilla Pagnate reporting for SNN. In this special Halloween edition of Cooking with SNN, we will be making a Jack Skellington cheese ball. This appetizer is a tasty dish that will satisfy your taste buds for the perfect Halloween dip. For this recipe, you will need
2 8-ounce sticks of cream cheese, 16 ounces of white sharp cheddar cheese, 1 stick of butter, 1 packet of ranch dressing mix, 1 clove of garlic, and blue tortilla chips. Before we begin cooking, be sure to wash your hands and wear appropriate clothing. First, chop up your garlic and set aside a cup of cheese for decoration. Next, in a medium bowl, combine your garlic, cream cheese, butter, the ranch mix, the rest of your cheddar cheese, and mix well until combined. Then cover the dip in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. While refrigerating, take your tortilla chips and cut them to make the shape of Jack's eyes, nose, and mouth. Next, take the cheese ball out of the fridge and shape it into a sphere while still in the plastic wrap. Once shaped, cover the ball in the cup of cheese from earlier. Then, place the chip features onto the ball to make up Jack's face. Finally, add the remaining chips around the ball on your serving plate and enjoy.
This cheese ball is an easy Halloween starter and is perfect for that Halloween party tonight. This is Bryn Priscilla Piñate, cooking with SNN.
Thank you, Priscilla. That looks like an uncut gem.
If you are a senior again, parking in the parking lot, be sure that your parking pass is in full display for campus supervisors to see when they walk around. If a permit is not visible, tickets may be issued, even if it is present in the car. Auditions for jazz band are now open. Saxophone, trombone, trumpet, drums, bass, guitar, and piano, and vibraphone are all accepted. Auditions videos are due to the band director, Mr. Block, by November 15th at 11:59. If you have any questions, see him in room E517.
The Santa Clarita Transit has student day trip routes for school transportation. The 621 and 640 buses will both be running from Saugus, as well as regular routes 5, 6, and 12 being restored. If you plan on wearing a Halloween costume to tonight's game or on Tuesday, you must adhere to school guidelines. Full face masks and makeup, clown costumes, and weapons are all strictly prohibited. Costumes must follow the dress code, including shoes, and may not ridicule or demean others in any way. That's all for today. I'm Adam Sandler for Murder Mystery. Don't click away, and stay tuned for Gangnam Style and Saugus Today.
And I'm Adam Sandler from 51st Dates. Don't mess with the Zohan, and we'll see you tomorrow.
There's no way that you could have been as bad at hockey as you are at golf.
All right, let's go.
So nice.
We got it. Enough.
Are you okay?
Yes,
okay,
yes.
I'll be right back. Hey,
No, I think he's had enough.